Crypto Nest. Alright, so Bitcoin is still going on the side. So if we go a little bit to have a recap here. So we're trying to determine if this movement is completely finished or we're missing something yet. So this up to now, I would call that the bottom of the fourth wave in yellow, and now we're going higher. If we do some micro counting here, okay, so we have a 1, 2. It's an ABC diagonal, so the third wave as well is going to be an ABC, so A, B, and a C. And now this is the dilemma. Was that already a fourth wave, or this is just an A overshooting with B and we're going to have a C? Yeah, that's still to be determined, but definitely we did reach the Fibri extension, so we're kind of, and technically we can see 5 waves up, right? Now this could be an extension of this fifth wave of the fifth wave. I don't know, it can start to be crazy, but yeah, so if I zoom in and recenter a little bit, okay, so I could say this, it's another, within this fifth wave in green, right? This could be a 1 and this is a 2, and actually this is the third wave. Let me check here. Yeah, third. And then we're having A, B, C, D, E, and then we can go higher. So this could be all this triangle or side consolidation would be a fourth, and then we still have that fifth wave allegedly to come. Now let me change the degree, otherwise we're going to become a little bit crazy. Okay, so all that is going to close our fifth wave. Maybe now I can put it a little bit bigger, so easier to see on the phones. Didn't really do it. Maybe go a little bit minutes. Okay, so this is the theory now. But now, you know, we are in the fifth wave of the fifth wave of the fifth wave. So, you know, I mean, this could end anytime now. Actually, if I go on the 1 hour, maybe we can see it even clearer. Alright, so I'm doing that because I want to check what would be a logical level for that fifth wave. So I'm going to take from the beginning of the wave impulsive movement to the upside up to the end of the third wave, and I'm going to be taking just the lower low of the A wave here, this point here, and I'm going to take the settings for wave 1 plus wave 3, and let's go and check. So let me see here. Yeah, the 0.382 would be the first level, but I think this is going to be inconclusive. Is it? Yeah, because it was the peak here already. So the logical level to go now, I'm going to add the 3 possible levels, because yes, you know, it can go and push much higher. So we're talking about 108,786, 111,000, 112,000. Here, let me go and check. So if we just reach the 0.618, that's going to imply that we're not going to make a new higher high for the moment. Going to put all right. So now let's go back. Okay, so maybe I should change the color at the end. Yeah, maybe yellow, it's good. I already used it below, so maybe green. Okay, so the green is the all-time higher high. So in a case we just reached the 0.618, which would be already amazing. Yeah, under 8, almost near the all-time high. Maybe we're going to touch it and get rejected, and then we start our bigger correction. Many of my friends don't like when I start talking about correction, but I mean, this is the last opportunity before the new all-time high that you should be doing. Well, I say it should because it's never certain, right? Yeah, so and if we go a little bit higher, this as well is going to well, I mean, it's static, like, so it's going to go a little bit higher. So then it would bring us between 90,000 and 81,000 the possible fibs retracements. So we shall see. For a moment, I'm going to put back yeah, for this top, because we don't have anything for the moment. And yeah, I'm taking a close look, or I'm paying attention to this side consolidation and triangle. Actually, yeah, I should also label it to let me see here. Alright, so starting from here, we have an A, allegedly B, a C, a D, an E, and after that it should start to go. And usually, if that is the pattern that Bitcoin is taking, well, yeah, the price is going to skyrocket on the opposite side direction of the E, which is going to be the other side, so to the upside. Is there something else I want to check? Yeah, let me see here. Usually I shouldn't say usually, but you know, often the E wave around 0.5 fib 0.5, yeah, fib retracement. Yeah, today I think I need more coffee. We should have a reaction. Let's see if we have that. I think I did it upside down. From the, it doesn't change much because, but actually let me put it like this and I move it after. Okay, so 0.5, 0.618, it's we're having for the moment a reaction. It can go a little bit lower, but the thing is not allowed to do, it's to go lower than the C wave, allegedly C wave. So that's going to be 101,442. Alright, so this is pretty much all for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Once again, we have a weekend. This could be, yeah, this again, it's a fourth wave. And how many times the Saturdays and Sundays are just very nice and boring fourth waves. But on the plus side, you know, we have time to chill, to relax, no stress. So there is always a positive thing to find in life. So let's enjoy our weekends. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.